Hello, my name is Samuel Caban, and I'm the service manager for Rockridge Nissan Infiniti in Denville, New Jersey. I am the service manager, and as everyone knows, it's very difficult to hire and recruit quality technicians nowadays, especially master technicians. Being that that was a need for us, we reached out to AutoStaff, which originally had done a lot of work for us with our sales department as well, and was able to recruit a lot of quality employees. So we reached out to AutoStaff. They were able to secure about 3 or 4 different master technicians that came in. We interviewed. We ended up landing one, which fast forward is an amazing tech. He's actually my #1 producer. In addition to that, AutoStaff also was able to bring in a B tech, which is also has been an amazing tech. Learning, growing, and doing a really good job. So if you're looking for quality technicians or any quality employee period, I would highly recommend AutoStaff.